Here's a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this perfect for the family and perfect for you. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and external memory control. New Car Test Drive loved the fact that virtually all buttons and controls are easy to see, read, and reach with good-size white letters and graphics. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Take it for a test drive today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.